Sometimes life closes a door not to punish you, but to remind you there is a sky above the hallway. Closed opportunities can feel punitive, but they can also free you from confining corridors you had not noticed. The sky above the hallway is the broader possibility that appears when a narrow option is removed. This quote promotes reinterpretation of loss as liberation. It nudges you to look up instead of pacing the corridor. Not every closed door is a hint toward a better vista. Sometimes it truly is loss. Still, the mindset shift is useful. When you face a setback, ask what wider options are now visible that were not before. Even the moon disappears for a while. Darkness is not failure, it's preparation. The moon's phase include absence. Periods of darkness in our lives can be rest, recalibration, or secret growth rather than proof of defeat. This normalizes cyclical lows and reduces the pressure to perform through every phase. Not all dark periods are pleasant or preparatory. Some require help and care. The quote invites kindness toward yourself in those times. When you are in a low stretch, create a short care plan. Sleep, check in with one friend, gentle routine instead of forcing productivity. If it didn't break you, it rewired you. If it rewired you, it rebuilt you. Hard experiences change you, sometimes subtly, sometimes drastically. If you survive those experiences without being crushed, your internal wiring adapted. That adaptation becomes the foundation for a renewed self. This is a three-stage perspective: survive, adapt, rebuild. It honors resilience and recognizes transformation as a structural, not superficial. It doesn't glamorize hardship or imply every change is positive. Rewiring can create protective but limiting patterns too. Audit one old coping pattern formed from hardship. Decide which parts deserve preservation and which need gentle reworking.